The red-hot Celtics get set to take on the Washington Wizards on Wednesday night. Here's what you need to know ahead of the game. Despite a slew of injuries, the C's haven't slowed down. The team is on a 6-game winning streak. The next man up mentality will have to continue tonight. The team will be without Gordon Hayward, Al Horford, and Gershon Yabusele. Good news, Kyrie Irving will play after missing one game with a shoulder injury. The game is personal for two players. C's forward Marcus Morris will be up against twin bro Marquise, who plays on the Wizards. Marcus dropped a season-high 31 points in his last game, going 5 for 8 from beyond the arc. Game time is set for 7 p.m. Keep it on NESN.com for all of your Celtics news.